Hello! In this video, I want to talk about space construction. The first thing you need to build structures in space is a builder ship. The second is resources for the construction. Currently, because the game is still under development, every structure only costs one resource, so I only need to load a small amount of each material. After launching the builder fleet, you can choose what to build and where. Right now, the building options are still very limited, and two of them are placeholders, but let's go through them and what they are intended to do. Space stations are essentially artificial planets. Population can grow on them, people pay taxes, and you need to manage their needs, just like on a regular planet. Mining stations are used to mine asteroid fields. We will build one of those in a moment, and I will tell you more about it then. Minefields are hidden traps for enemy fleets. If hostile ships move through them, they take heavy damage, but mines are consumed in the process. Automated defense stations help to protect important areas. They can launch projectiles at enemy fleets and damage them from long range. You could already see them in action at the previous video. More structures are planned, but for now let's focus on mining station. Mining stations start with a mining drone and a nuclear reactor module. One interesting feature is that fleet launched from mining stations receive a special asteroid mining boost. Let's build a station. I will speed up the footage a little bit so we do not have to wait that long. Now I'm sending a mining ship to a newly constructed station so I can demonstrate the mining boost it provides. Stations can extract resources much more efficiently than planets, but they cannot refine them. That means they still depend on outside supply chains to keep operating. For example, mining drones require energy, and producing energy requires uranium fuel. Once the station runs out of fuel, the reactors stop working. Without power, the mining drones shut down, and resource production stops completely. So you need to manage not only the output of the station, but also the incoming supplies. At first, this system might seem like a lot of micromanagement, especially if you haven't watched the research system video. But in short, there will be automation options for players who do not want to manage all of this manually. It's really all about deciding how you want to run your empire. Mining drones mine asteroids in a range similar to planetary mining, which I have explained in a previous video. You can set the focus of gathering the same way. To have complete access to asteroid fields, first you need to discover them. Currently, we only have two asteroids discovered, so mining drones can only gather from those locations. But if you discover more fields, the output will increase. This is a passive system. If you want to maximize production, you can also use mining ships. Let me show you the previously mentioned mining boost effect. If we select an asteroid field, we can choose a fleet to mine it. We currently have two fleets at roughly the same distance. There is a hexagon difference between them, but I don't think that will matter. If we select the fleet that is in space, We can see the projected haul is 10 and it will be done in 23 minutes. If we select the fleet that is in the space station, it will be done in 16 minutes. And it's a hex further away. I hope this video explained the systems clearly enough, but I would love to hear any questions or ideas you may have in the comments. Thank you.